action, like a movie without a script. We improvised because we were so young, and the nights lasted that much longer. And we were grateful for every second of darkness outside. Outside in perfectly manicured gardens, the cool grass covered in a midnight dew, soaking through jeans and t-shirts. We kicked our shoes off and ran into lakes and laughed and breathed and sang and knew beyond a shadow of a doubt that no one in the world had ever felt the way we did. No one on this planet knew the secret of love.